Hello, future doctors. Let's talk about something truly amazing, your nervous system. Imagine a network so complex, it puts the internet to shame. That's your nervous system, constantly working to keep you alive and functioning. It's the reason you can read this, breathe, and even dream. The nervous system is your body's control center. It receives information from the world around you and from inside your body. It processes this information and decides what to do. Then, it sends out signals to your muscles and organs, telling them how to respond. Think of it like this. Your brain is like a powerful computer, and your nerves are like the wires that carry information to and from it. This intricate system is what allows you to experience the world, learn, and live your life to the fullest. Pretty cool, right? The nervous system has two main parts, the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. The CNS is like the command center of a vast, intricate network. Think of the CNS as the main control center, with the brain and spinal cord as its key components. These two parts work in harmony to control every function in your body. The brain, nestled safely inside your skull, is the big boss. It oversees everything from your heartbeat to your ability to solve complex problems. It's responsible for your thoughts, emotions, memories, movements, and so much more. Every decision you make, every emotion you feel, originates from this incredible organ. Imagine the most powerful computer you can, and then multiply that by 1,000,000. That's your brain. It's capable of processing vast amounts of information in milliseconds. The spinal cord, a long bundle of nerves running down your back, acts like a highway connecting your brain to the rest of your body. It ensures that signals are transmitted quickly and efficiently. It carries messages back and forth, ensuring your brain can communicate with even the tip of your little toe. This communication is vital for reflexes and voluntary movements. Together, the brain and spinal cord form the central command center of your body, constantly receiving information, making decisions, and sending out instructions. They work tirelessly to keep you functioning and adapting to your environment. They are the core of what makes you, you. Without them, none of the complex processes that define human life would be possible. Let's zoom in on the brain for a moment. This incredible organ is responsible for everything that makes you human. It controls your voluntary actions, like walking and talking, and your involuntary actions, like breathing and your heartbeat. But the brain does so much more than just basic functions. It's where you learn, store memories, experience emotions, and even dream. It processes information from your senses, allowing you to see, hear, smell, taste, and touch the world around you. Think of your brain as a collection of specialized departments, each with its own job. Some parts control movement, others handle language, and yet others are responsible for emotions. This complex interplay of different brain regions allows you to experience the world in all its richness. Now, let's talk about the spinal cord, the brain's trusty sidekick. This long, delicate structure acts as a highway for messages traveling between your brain and the rest of your body. Imagine this. You touch a hot stove. Sensory receptors in your skin send a message racing up your arm, through your spinal cord, and straight to your brain. Your brain, in turn, sends a message back down the spinal cord, telling your muscles to pull your hand away. All of this happens in a split second, thanks to the rapid communication of your spinal cord. The spinal cord is essential for both sensory input, feeling, and motor output, movement. It's also involved in reflexes, those lightning-fast reactions that happen without you even having to think about them. Without your spinal cord, your brain wouldn't be able to communicate with your body, and you wouldn't be able to function. Section 5. Nerves reaching every corner of you. Now let's move on to the peripheral nervous system, or PNS for short, the vast network of nerves that extends from your central nervous system to every corner of your body. This intricate system is responsible for relaying information between your brain and the rest of your body, ensuring that every part of you is in constant communication with your central command center. Think of the PNS as the communication lines connecting your brain and spinal cord to your organs, muscles, and skin. Without these vital pathways, your brain wouldn't be able to send or receive the signals necessary for movement, sensation, and vital functions. The PNS has two main divisions: the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. Each of these divisions plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's functionality and responding to the environment. The somatic nervous system controls your voluntary movements, like waving your hand or kicking a ball. These are the actions you consciously decide to perform, allowing you to interact with your surroundings in a deliberate manner. It's what allows you to interact with the world around you consciously. Every time you pick up an object, touch a surface, or engage in any physical activity, your somatic nervous system is at work, translating your intentions into actions. The autonomic nervous system, on the other hand, controls the functions you don't consciously think about, like your heartbeat, breathing, and digestion. This system operates behind the scenes, ensuring that your body runs smoothly without any conscious effort on your part. It keeps your body running smoothly without you having to lift a finger. From regulating your heart rate to managing your digestive processes, the autonomic nervous system is essential for maintaining homeostasis and overall health. The PNS is like a vast network of messengers, constantly carrying information to and from your brain and spinal cord. These nerve signals travel at incredible speeds, ensuring that your body can respond to stimuli almost instantaneously. It's what allows you to sense the world around you, move your body, and keep your organs functioning properly. Whether you're reacting to a hot surface, running a race, or simply breathing, the peripheral nervous system is always at work, ensuring that your body operates seamlessly. Section 6. Neurons, the tiny messengers. So, we've talked about the nervous system's different parts, but what about the cells that make it all work? Enter the neuron, the basic unit of the nervous system. These specialized cells are responsible for transmitting information throughout your body. Neurons have a unique structure that allows them to carry electrical signals over long distances. They have a cell body, which contains the nucleus and other organelles, and dendrites, which are branch-like extensions that receive signals from other neurons. Extending from the cell body is a long, slender fiber called the axon, which transmits signals to other neurons, muscles, or glands. Many axons are covered in a fatty substance called myelin, which acts like insulation, speeding up the transmission of signals. Neurons are the tiny messengers that allow your nervous system to function. They are the building blocks of your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Section 7. Passing the message: how synapses work. We know that neurons carry electrical signals, but how do these signals travel from one neuron to another? This is a fundamental question in neuroscience, and understanding it is key to grasping how our brains function. The answer lies in the synapse, a tiny gap between two neurons. This gap might be small, but it plays a crucial role in neural communication. When an electrical signal reaches the end of an axon, it triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters into the synapse. These neurotransmitters are essential for passing the signal to the next neuron. These neurotransmitters then bind to receptors on the dendrites of the next neuron, triggering a new electrical signal. This binding process is highly specific, ensuring that the correct message is passed along. Think of it like this. The first neuron is like a ship arriving at a port. The ship carries valuable cargo that needs to be delivered. It unloads its cargo, neurotransmitters, onto the dock, the synapse. This unloading process is critical for the continuation of the signal. The cargo is then picked up by trucks, receptors, and transported to the next destination, the next neuron. This ensures that the message is carried forward efficiently. This process of chemical transmission at the synapse allows neurons to communicate with each other and form complex circuits. These circuits are the foundation of everything from simple reflexes to complex thoughts and emotions. Understanding this process is essential for comprehending how our brains work and how we interact with the world around us. Section 8. Why this matters for doctors to be. Understanding the nervous system is crucial for anyone going into medicine. Many diseases and disorders affect the nervous system, from strokes and brain injuries to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. As future doctors, you'll need to be able to recognize the signs and symptoms of these conditions, diagnose them accurately, and provide effective treatment. This requires a deep understanding of how the nervous system works, both in health and disease. Moreover, understanding the nervous system is essential for many medical procedures, from administering anesthesia to performing surgery. By knowing how the nervous system works, you can minimize risks and improve outcomes for your patients. Section 9. A final word. The nervous system is a truly remarkable and complex system. It's responsible for everything that makes you, you. As you embark on your medical journey, remember that understanding the nervous system is not just about memorizing facts. It's about appreciating the incredible complexity of the human body and using that knowledge to heal and improve lives. So keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop being amazed by the wonders of the human body.